Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to unbox this toy that we bought from Smiths here in Dublin, Ireland. So if you are a fan of arcade games, particularly this surprise twister machine, then and if you wanted to have it at your home with a price that's gonna fit your budget, then I think this is the best deal. All right. So as you can see, this is a fashion and style surprise twister, meaning most of the prices here are here.
Fashion.
Earrings, fashion, or anything that's connected to fashion, right? So earrings, bags, shades, and I'm sure the kids will really have some fun opening this or twisting this as they get some prizes, surprise prizes. So let's unbox it and try it, guys. So here we go. Again, the price of this is only at
Five.
€5. All right. So it's really a good deal, and it's again available in Smiths Toys here in Ireland, maybe in some other countries as well. So these are the prices, as you can see, and this is the twisting mechanism. All right, and this is where the toys should come out. And as you can see, there are already toys or prices below because we already twisted it a while ago.
What's it?
So
What's that?
so what's the price, Ella? Oh, she said it's a lollipop, but I think it's
But
it's
a
a bag.
bag.
All right. So again,
You wanna,
if you wanna try,
there's someone that
let's try again, guys.
can you twist? El, do you wanna twist it?
Can you twist it? Show it to them. So I'm sure that the kids will really have some fun. There you go.
On the right?
Keep twisting
I
it.
think it's on the right.
No, to the left.
To the left or right?
Yeah, twist
Here,
it.
here. Can you put it here? El?
All right. So as you can see,
No, it's on the right.
yeah, keep twisting, keep twisting.
No,
All
here.
right, keep twisting.
Okay, Ella, it's your
Yep,
turn.
keep twisting.
Come on, El.
All right,
How
keep
about you?
twisting.
How about Daddy?
All right. So as you can see, there you go. There's a prize. So you have to twist it like
Right? On the right.
6 turns. And again,
Why is
a
it?
very good gift as well,
Can I
guys,
see? What is it?
for those kids who are fan of arcade
No,
games.
it's not lollipop, Ella. It's
So the
a...
price
It's a
is...
doll. Mermaid.
Doll, mermaid.
Okay. So say bye-bye.
Alright, say bye. Bye-bye,
Bye.
guys. You say bye-bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.